Hello, good evening, dear students. This is Sonia Kaushik, and we are doing Animal Kingdom in class 11th. And today we will discuss some need specific points from the topic phylum Porifera. So let's start. We have already done the basic concepts from NCERT. You can check that video, and I will also give the link in description box. So let's start. Need special video from phylum Porifera. So the members of Porifera are called sponges. इसके members को sponges कहा जाता है. क्यों कहा जाता है? Because they have small pores that are called ostia. Ostia are several in number, बहुत सारे होते हैं. और एक single pore होता है बेटा, that is called osculum. Suppose this is a sponge, body of sponge. So this osculum is a large pore. This is osculum. Okay, and several number of minute pores are present. These are ostia. Okay, next, the cavity in sponges is called spongocoel. Spongocoel is lined by special types of cell called choanocytes or collar cells. They are flagellated in nature. Their body have two walls, or you can say body wall have two layers. One is pinacoderm, outer one is pinacoderm, and inner one is choanoderm. Pinacoderm is made up of pinacocytes and choanoderm is made up of choanocytes. And the tissue that is present between these two layers, that is called mesenchyme. इसको बोलते हैं mesenchyme. ओके, बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर की बात करते हैं. एंडोस्केलेटन इज प्रेजेंट. स्केलेटन सिस्टम जो इनमें होता है बेटा बॉडी के अंदर होता है, एंड दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ स्पॉन्जिन फाइबर और कैलकेरियस आर सिलिकस स्पिक्यूल्स. डाइजेशन इंट्रासेलुलर होगा, होलोजोइक होगा. होलोजोइक मीन्स कंप्लीट फूड सब्सटेंस विल बी टेकन इन. रेस्पिरेशन एंड एक्सक्रीशन के लिए कोई स्पेसिफिक ऑर्गन नहीं है. इट अकर्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्पेसिफिक सिंपल डिफ्यूजन. यस, इन सम स्पंजेस internal buds are present that are called gemmules, and that is actually the mass of archaeocyte cells, and that helps in asexual reproduction. Phylum Porifera have three main classes, that is Calcarea, Hexaactinellida, Demospongia. In class Calcarea, endoskeleton, I have told you कि इनके अंदर endoskeleton होता है बच्चों. So endoskeleton is made up of calcium carbonate CaCO3. Hexaactinellida के अंदर endoskeleton is made up of silica. Demospongia have spongin fibers. If we talk about example, so Calcarea के example रहेंगे Sycon, Leucosonia, Solinia. And in Hexaactinellida examples are Euplactella, that is commonly known as Venus flower basket, and Hyalonema, that is also called glass rope sponge. These common names are important for NEET exam. Demospongia example is Spongilla, that is also called freshwater sponge. This question is generally asked in NEET exam. Euspongia, that is commonly known as bath sponge. Then Cleona, that is called boring sponge. One important question that can be asked from Leucosolinia, that is a member of Calcarea class. So it have a larva that is called Parenchyma larva, and it is a free swimming larva, and after some time it will attach to substratum and undergo metamorphosis to become adult. Next important question from phylum Porifera is about different types of cells that is present in mesenchyme. That specific cells have different functions, and these are called amoebocyte cells. So let's discuss their function one by one. So one of the type of amoebocyte cell is archaeocyte. Archaeocyte, what type of cell these are? These are undifferentiated totipotent cell. Beta, totipotent cell means the type of cell that can give rise to any type of body part. ठीक है, and that can have totipotency means total potency, ability to give any type of cell in body or any body part. Chromocyte, chromo means color, pigment. So the cells that have pigment granules, that are chromocyte. Next, thesiocyte with reserve food granules. So if we talk about any reserve food material in these sponges, so that are present in thesiocytes. Next cells, Myocytes are मायो वर्ड इज़ रिलेटेड टू मसल्स समवेयर, तो यहाँ मसल्स तो नहीं होगी, सो जो भी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन का काम रहेगा, so that is performed by spindle shaped cells that are called myocyte cells. Next, trophocyte cells, these supply nutrients to the developing cells. Gland cell, these secrete some slimy substance. And sex cells, these are also developed from arcuocyte cells, and they specifically formed in breeding season only. Generally these are not present, but only in breeding season. Only in breeding season these types of cells may be formed in phylum Porifera. So this is all about the important concepts from phylum Porifera. In our next video, we will try to discuss some more concepts that are asked in previous year NEET exam. So don't forget to hit the like button. Goodbye.